New spiking statistics are the reason why a return to mandatory mask wearing is suddenly back on the table in Pueblo County. KRDO News Channel 13's Sean Rice is live outside the County Health and Environment Building. And Sean, we know there could be lots of opposition to yet another mask mandate.
Yeah, Heather, that is definitely right. Here in Pueblo, they currently only have a mask mandate for city buildings as well as Pueblo schools. But among other mitigation steps, a county-wide mask mandate is a topic of conversation.
I would be in full support of a county-wide mask mandate.
I don't think it's necessary right now.
The topic, a county-wide mask mandate in Pueblo County. It's a topic that has people divided on the issue. The decision on a mask mandate falls in the hands of the 5 members of the Pueblo Board of Health. However, Public Health Director Randy Evitz would not be in favor of one.
My current stance is that we should not implement a county-wide mask mandate, but that is their decision.
Evitz outlined that the mention of a county-wide mask mandate was in response to a rising number of hospitalizations in Pueblo, as well as an increase in case numbers since the beginning of August.
The discussion at our board meeting was to really just understand that that was happening in our community, and then it was just kind of some brainstorming about what potential actions the board could take if there was community support or if there's a real need to do that based on what we're seeing at the hospitals.
The Pueblo Health Department have never issued a county-wide mask mandate. They've always followed a state mandate that began in June of 2020 and ended in May of this year.
The only mandate, the only public health order that we have put into effect locally was a mask order specifically pertaining to the schools. Otherwise, the state, we followed the state orders last year, but never had a county-wide mask mandate.
And while a mask mandate isn't the health director's recommendation, getting vaccinated is.
Certainly our recommendation is the same as always. Get vaccinated. Most of the people who are in the hospital, a majority of those who are hospitalized are unvaccinated.
Pueblo is not the only large Colorado county concerned about a rising number of COVID-19 cases, but so far it's the only place we're hearing about mandatory masking. Reporting in Pueblo, Sean Rice, KRDO News Channel 13.